Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 2nd October 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the sweetest word is Baba. The word Baba should constantly emerge from your lips. Continue to give Shiv Baba's introduction to everyone. Question is, in the golden age not only human beings but even animals never become diseased. Why? Answer. Because Baba performs such an operation on souls and the unlimited world at the confluence age that all name and trace of disease disappear. The Father is the eternal surgeon. The world now is full of disease. Then, no name or trace of sorrow will remain in that world. In order to remain safe from the sorrow of this world, you have to be very, very courageous. Song is, having found you, we have found everything. The earth and sky all belong to us. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. You have to return home in the company of the truth. Therefore, remain constantly truthful. Never tell lies. Number 2. You children of Brahma, Baba are brothers and sisters. Therefore, you must not perform any criminal acts. There should be no awareness of any relationship other than that of brothers and sisters. Blessing for today. May you become a master Trikaldarshi and know the result of your own elevated efforts and those of others with your power of remembrance. Details are: just as scientists know everything about those who go into space from the earth, in the same way, you Trikaldarshi children, with your silence, that is, with your power of remembrance, can know everything very clearly about your own elevated efforts and stage and also those of others. By having a divine intellect and stabilizing yourself in pure thoughts of remembrance, you receive the blessing of being Trikaldarshi. New plans then automatically emerge for you to put into practical form. Slogan is, be cooperative with everyone and you will automatically continue to receive love. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. None can say that they do not have a chance to do service. If someone is unable to speak, he can serve with his mind, with his attitude and stage of happiness. Even if your health is not good, sit at home and be cooperative. Simply accumulate a stock of pure thoughts in your mind and remain full of good wishes.